Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the brand new iPhone 16 Pro. I am so excited. I feel like I've been waiting for this phone for forever. And all these new features just look so exciting. I also just want to say that I am by no means a tech professional. I do use my iPhone a lot for content creation and also just basic communication. First off, I just have a haul of some things that I got in preparation. From Amazon, I got this 3-in-1 charging station. Here's what it looks like out of the box and setup. It also comes with a cable and block. It is space for a phone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, which is super helpful. Also from Amazon, I got this basic cream case. Here's what that looks like. And finally from Amazon, I got some more sticky grippies or Octo Buddies. It came in this pack of 2, a light pink and a transparent one. I'm definitely going to be using this light pink. I love the color. If you don't know about these, they're so helpful. Basically, you stick them on your phone case and your phone will suction to almost any flat surface, so you can put it on your mirror and do fit checks. Super helpful. Also, if you want to check any of these out, I'm linking them down below in my storefront. Now from Casemate, I got a screen protector because we do not want to be cracking our brand new phone, and one more case. It's from Kate Spade. It's so pretty. Here's what that's looking like out of the packaging. I really love the design. It's a clear case with these white and pink flowers and little bits of silver, which is so beautiful. Anyways, on to the main event. Here we have the iPhone 16 Pro. I got the white titanium color. White just pretty much goes with everything, and it looks super clean and fresh, and it's really bright, so that's why I chose it. I also got the 512GB just because I need a good amount of storage. I take so many photos and videos, so I definitely needed to upgrade to that. The current phone I have is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I honestly really like this phone. I just honestly felt like I was due for an upgrade, so let's unbox it. Here's the phone. There we go. I'm just going through and selecting some basic things. Right now it's activating eSIM and connecting the phone to cellular network. So we're just gonna wait a bit for this. It's time to set up Face ID and a password. It's time to go through these new features, like the action button, the new camera control button. It's gonna take some time to restore all the information from my old phone. So now we just have to wait for a little bit. So my phone just opened up. I'm pretty sure it has most things saved from my last phone, but clearly a lot of apps are still loading. I really want to test out this new camera button. Look at that, you just click it. Okay, the quality is so much better. I can just say, especially compared to the 13, this is a really big upgrade. And also this zooms in so much more, all the way up to 25x, and the 13 only goes 15x. I also think it's so cool how you can switch these out. Time to customize the phone. This case looks gorgeous on. It goes perfectly with the white. And I love how you're still able to use the action button and camera button through it. Now time to set up this second phone case. I'm just gonna put this Octo Buddy right on here. I was gonna use the pink color, but I think the translucent one goes a little bit better with this color. I don't think this one's sticky enough for this case, so I might have to actually glue it down. But we can always do that later. Here's what it looks like on though. I'm also gonna put this screen protector on from Casemate. It comes with this cleaning kit. I'm just gonna follow the instructions listed on here. I removed all the widgets from my home screen, so we have a completely blank, fresh, and clean phone right now. So I'm just gonna spend a bit customizing it how I like, and I'll show you the results whenever I'm finished. Okay everyone, so I've taken a little bit of time and I've set up this phone, gotten pretty used to it. So I pretty much kept the same layout as my old phone. So if you watch my old What's My iPhone video, it's pretty similar. I do plan on changing a couple of things later on, but we'll take time with that just to see what I like. So on the lock screen, I have Spotify, the fitness ring, and the weather. For some reason the temperature hasn't loaded yet. You can see it on the weather app, but I don't think it has my location down yet. And then down towards the bottom, I have my Apple Wallet, which you can just click and it'll go to your wallet. And then I also have the alarm, so I just don't forget to set my alarm for school every day. Here's what my home screen looks like. I really like how I set it up. This top widget with the date is just from Widgetsmith, and then for the 2 other widgets, I just got them off of Pinterest. Now when we swipe over here, I have my Spotify, some photos from New York. I love New York so much, so it just brings back all those memories. A YouTube widget and my calendar. I also have my big notes widget at the bottom. Also, all of my app icons are from an app called Color Widget. I'll show that later. But here we just have camera, music, phone, Gmail, Netflix, FaceTime, Instagram, and YouTube. I use a lot of these apps pretty often. And then down at the bottom, we have Spotify, Messages, TikTok, and Notes. I use those apps down at the bottom probably the most. Those are just some apps that I like to have really easy access to. And on our next page, we have my reminders widget, which is also from Color Widget. Another one from Pinterest, and one more from Locket down at the bottom. Locket's just this really cool app that you can send photos on other people's home screens. Mine hasn't really loaded yet. Then we have Starbucks, Pinterest, Amazon, Snapchat, Clock, Photos, Settings, Safari, just some basic apps. And on to our final page, I have the time. I know you can see it in the corner, but I just like having it big in the middle of my screen. And just some more apps that I like to have out. The App Store, Calculator, Google Maps, Calendar, Reminders, Podcast Files, Disney Plus, Roblox, Maps, Wallet, Health, Watch, Weather, Voice Memos, and Google Drive. And that's all that are on these main pages. I don't like to have too many, but I think 3 is a pretty good amount. Now when we scroll over here, these are where all my apps are. In social, we just have a lot of basic social media apps. FaceTime, Instagram, Messages, Snapchat, TikTok, all of the above. In utilities, again, just a lot of basic apps like the App Store, Calculator, Clock. Here we have Color Widget, which is just another great app for widgets. That's where I got the reminder widget and also the icons. If you click the bottom, at the top where it says minimal, I chose the one to the right, this black and white pack, but they have so many more. Not sponsored, I just really enjoy using that app. And then I also have Countdown, which counts down days until a certain event, and Sub Count, which shows the amount of subscribers you have, and also Swipe Wipe. I use it to clear out my photos. I should start doing that again. In creativity, here's a lot of editing apps, as well as camera photos. The ones that I use the most are probably CapCut, PixArt, Fonto, Lightroom, and YouTube Studio. I edit all of my thumbnails on my phone with PixArt, Fonto, and Lightroom. And then YouTube Studio is just an app made by YouTube for creators to track all of their analytics. It's such a helpful app. Down here in productivity and finance, again, a lot of basic apps. Calendar, Gmail, Notes, Wallet, Widgetsmith, also link in bio. I use this for my link in bio, obviously. It was so easy to create this. I do need to update it a little bit, so I'll probably do that soon too. And entertainment, again, just a lot of entertainment apps. Netflix, Disney Plus, Fandango, Spotify, Music, Shazam, YouTube, Ticketmaster, Prime Video, and in shopping, I use Amazon, Starbucks all the time. The rest of them, not so much. In other, I just have a couple games. And here we have the Disney app. These practice DMV tests. They're actually so helpful. Duolingo, gotta keep that streak alive. We got 134 days of learning French, and then also Facts for School, Go Wish, Pinterest, Roblox, Weather, and that's pretty much it for what's on my phone. Now let me show you the quality of this camera. Here's the filming setup. This camera control button is super cool. I'm definitely still getting used to it. The video is really nice too. The quality is so much better than the 13. Loving this. Another thing I really like is that you can pause videos midway through. So we're just gonna test it out. I'm gonna pause it. I'm over here, but it's all in the same video, which is super helpful. So that's a really cool feature that I like. Also, when we pull this down, I really like how they almost look like little bubbles and how this is a little bit more colorful. Here are all the different focuses I have. The automatic, do not disturb, and personal. And then I also have working, rehearsals, good night, school, and Paisley. Overall, I'm really liking this new phone. I would really recommend. I'm really enjoying all of the new iOS 18 updates and this whole phone in general. I just love how it's so customizable and you can really fix things to how you like them. Anyways, I think that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you made it to the end, be sure to comment down below this emoji and also what you think of this phone. Are you going to be upgrading? If you enjoy videos like this, please like and subscribe because it really helps support my channel and it helps it grow. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember to stay positive and I will see you next time. Bye!